The Osaka Marine KHS-016 Carburetor Rebuild Gasket Kit is designed for Harley-Davidson motorcycles equipped with Mikuni HSR smoothbore carburetors including the HSR-42, HSR-45, and HSR-48. Compatible with Twin Cam engines, 1999 to 2006, and Evo Big Twin engines, 1990 to 1999. It's a versatile, all-in-one solution for restoring proper fuel delivery and smooth throttle response on a wide range of Harley models. Osaka Marine Industrial is a leading spare parts manufacturer in Taiwan, specializing in high-performance vehicle components. Learn more at osakamarine.com, email seller@osakamarine.com, or reach us on WhatsApp at +8 86 984 252 201.